Three Wise Fools, written by Kenneth Vidia Parmasad, is taken from the book Salt and Roti. One day, four men decided to go on a very long journey. Three of them thought that they were very wise since they had read many books. The fourth man could not even read. The others thought that he was very foolish because he did not know how to read. However, they decided to take him with them since they were all friends and had grown up together. As they walked through the forest, they came upon the dry bones and skin of a dead lion. The three men, who had read many books, were very excited. They all thought that this was the chance to show how wise they were. "Come," said one of them, "let us prove how wise we are. I shall put all the bones of this dead lion back together." "And I," said the second, "shall put together the flesh, blood, and skin." The third said, "And I shall put life back into the body." "But what will you do?" they asked the fourth friend who could not read. "I can do none of those great things," answered the fourth man, "but I will climb up this tall tree. If you bring the lion back to life, he will surely kill us. But you are wise and know best," he said. His three friends laughed at him and said, "People who are not wise are always quick to make excuses." So while the three wise men were busily bringing the lion back to life, the fourth man climbed up the tree. He sat safely on a high branch and looked on at them. In a short while, the lion was put together and brought back to life. As soon as the lion opened his eyes, he saw the three men before him. With a great roar, the lion jumped on the men and devoured them. When the lion had gone away, the fourth man came down from the tree and sadly walked home.